This is Namie, an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. However, Namie is living with her brother Scrubby at PetSmart in Nashua on Route 101A. So this is Namie, and this is her brother Scrubby. This is a great pair. They need to stay together. They've been together as brother and sister and littermates all their life, all 2 years. And they want to keep it that way. So they will be adopted as a pair. And so if you have to go off to work, these two are going to take care of each other. They won't be lonely. What a good girl you are, Namie. Okay with that ball now? Well, so many things to see.